River Adventure. We are at the River Adventure.
We're looking at map thing. I wanted to stop living that one. What is the next one? Where do you want to go?
We'll ask them.
No, this one. I'm talking to you. Hey. Everybody talking about my 11 years.
Hey, hey, hey.
They like my hey.
What are you doing?
Almost good. I said almost, and I'm gonna take a video and turn up and put it on my back.
Well, we'll see. It could be a trick, you know.
What do you mean? Ah, you think so?
5 months.
5 months.
5 months to go.
10 minutes to sitting here. Huh?
Let's go.
Yeah, phone is better than camera, you know. Do you remember cable? Yeah. Barely can see.
Then we're going to drop your phone here, okay? Like that. Brace. Make sure it's on the side like this. Floating jellyfish thing. Yeah, I know that. I know that. Yeah. And then look at the light.
Huh?
This is your speed.
Yeah, I like it. This is gas speed. That's it. Already? Okay.
We're gonna go for a drop.
I don't think so. This is my. I want to like it a little like this.
You can tell this is not doing it because the seats are dry.
그러네.
The seats are wet when you have to go.
You know, yeah.
Well, the seats are dry, therefore.
So this is a whole set of stuff for family. Little ones and like
Yes, yes.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.